In this video, we'll be taking you through the step-by-step installation of the Mira Form dual mixer shower. The Mira Form is designed with complete flexibility to offer an easy retrofit over existing mixer showers with compression fittings or for a brand new installation. For new installations, the installation of the pipework should be completed as part of the first fix, approximately 1 meter above the shower tray and with enough clearance to the ceiling for an overhead deluge. Use the supplied installation template to mark the locations of the fixing holes and pipe centers. Fold the tabs at the end of the installation template to support a spirit level. 32mm holes are needed to accommodate pipe concealing plates. The pipe centers are set to 153mm. Using a tape measure, mark the supply pipework at 20mm from the finished wall surface and cut with a pipe slice. Seal the concealing plates with silicone sealant to prevent water ingress back into the fabric of the wall. Place the concealing plates over the pipework and secure to the wall surface. The valve can be offered to the wall and marked for drilling. Loosely fit the valve to the inlet pipes. Set the mixing valve level and mark the positions of the 4 fixing holes. All 4 fixing holes are required to fit the valve to the wall. Remove the valve from the pipe. The wall can then be drilled, taking care to avoid the pipework in the wall cavity. Please use the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Place the compression nuts and olives over the pipes and then deburr the pipework. Water supplies should be flushed before fitting the valve. This prevents debris from blocking the filters or corrosive fluxes causing damage to the valve mechanism or seals. Place the mixing valve over the inlet pipes. Finger tighten both the compression nuts and then fix the mixing valve to the wall using the 4 provided fixing screws. Tighten the compression nuts using a suitable spanner while supporting the elbow using a 6mm hex key. Check level and adjust if needed. Filters are integrated into the valve and can be accessed for cleaning or replacements using the 6mm hex key. Slide the shroud over the valve and push until clipped. Ensure the shroud is the correct way up and drive features match. The shroud should clip into place. Pull the shroud gently to ensure it's securely fixed. The temperature dial can then be fitted, aligning the top of the cartridge with the temperature override button on the dial. Should the hot and cold supplies be reversed for any reason, the cartridge can be rotated to accommodate without the need to adjust the pipework. Simply loosen the 4 valve screws and remove the mixing valve from the body. The valve is color-coded, blue for cold and red for hot. Rotate the valve 180 degrees and insert into the valve body. Push firmly and retighten the 4 valve screws to secure the mixing valve in place. Once the valve is in the correct position for your supply pipework, we can now install the slide bar assembly. The deluge assembly comes pre-assembled, with the clamp bracket and hose retaining ring attached. Insert the wall bracket temporarily. Take care to fully insert the riser rail into the top of the valve in order to obtain the correct reference point. Push the riser rail into the top of the valve. Adjust height to suit using the telescopic adjustment, ensuring the rail is level, and then mark the fixing holes. The riser rail has 250mm adjustability. Ensure the riser rail is not adjusted beyond the max marking. Take care to cover the valve before drilling to protect from any debris. Drill the fixing holes. Insert the wall plugs provided, or those more appropriate for the wall material if necessary. Ensure the peg is facing upwards when fixing to the wall. Secure the fixing bracket to the wall using the 2 provided fixing screws. The rail assembly can then be reinserted into the valve. Place the back plate cover onto the rear of the assembly and clip into place. There is no need for grub screws as the quick fix bracket secures the riser rail. The deluge arm is then installed with a push-fit connection for ease. Ensure the seal is greased with the sachet provided. The deluge arm is able to pivot for added flexibility when the shower is in use. The hose and handset can then be installed. Take care to feed the hose through the hose retaining ring to comply with water regulations. Flow regulators are supplied for use on high-pressure plumbing systems and are installed in between the valve outlet and the hose, and in between the deluge and the deluge arm. Refer to the installation guide for more information on the benefits of installing these. The deluge head can then be secured into place and tightened to ensure a watertight seal. The water supply can then be reinstated and the shower fully tested and commissioned. Refer to the installation guide for more information on commissioning the valve. Your Mira Form Dual is now ready for use.